What's up YouTube? It's Kappa Kid, and today we are going to be unboxing some new Kappa slides that were just sent in the mail. Kappa shoes, brand new. Here's the box. Obviously the box is beautiful, beautiful box. This is the Kappa logo. We have a man and a woman sitting back to back. So if you guys did not know, that is a man and woman. That is not two girls, that is not two men. That is a man and woman, back to back, unity, togetherness, and yeah, support. All right, let's see what's inside the box. As you see, I got the black pair. Smell brand new. Smell amazing. Here we go. We got the Adam 9s, and this is very, very comfortable. The material in here feels very like squishy, and will have like will give into your foot, and it's a nice inch away from the ground. A lot of slides are a lot thinner, and your feet feel like they get dirty real quick. Or your heel, you will notice, gets really dirty really quick. These feel like they're far from the ground, nice and high, sturdy material. Nothing looks like it's glued. And we have a very seamless design. Everything is connected. Nothing looks like it's sticking out of place. Everything seems to be very smooth, sleek, and looks very unique. But at the same time, it does give you that kind of Gucci slide or Louis slide. But again, I do believe the quality and the fact that these last over 2 to 3 months, the durability in these are going to be 10 times better than some $500 designer slides, and you should never be putting $500 on your feet unless it's protecting your toes. But here we go, $30 slides, Kappa's design. Want y'all to see